Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in Total Stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
Introducing Generac's new Speed Wash Pressure Washer. It's built tough to help you tackle almost any cleaning project fast. The Speed Wash Pressure Washer features best-in-class cleaning power with 3,200 PSI. Generac's innovative power dial gun lets you switch between cleaning jobs right at your fingertips. Choose between 4 application settings: car, wood, concrete, and soap, to easily select the right pressure setting for your cleaning tasks. The power dial gun's ergonomic design and cushion grip provide a more comfortable grip while using the pressure washer.
The unit comes with attachments that make cleaning easy and fast. Ideal for cleaning decks, patios, and driveways, the Power Broom makes cleaning jobs 4 times faster. The Power Broom minimizes overspray, and 4 high-pressure nozzles provide a 12-foot cleaning path for faster, uniform results.
The turbo nozzle's rotating pinpoint stream agitates dirt out of porous surfaces, making it the perfect accessory. It cleans surfaces up to 30% faster than other nozzles. The Soap Blaster nozzle applies soap at high pressure, delivering 3 times the force of a standard soap nozzle, and removes tough stains faster. The 3200 Speed Wash features a 30-foot heavy-duty flex hose that won't kink, resists abrasions, and won't mar work surfaces like driveways and decks. And 30 feet of hose means more cleaning radius and less moving the pressure washer around. The Speed Wash Pressure Washer features a powerful, reliable Generac OHV engine. The high-quality brass head axial cam pump lasts up to 2 times longer than the competitive aluminum head pumps, and the large fuel tank means fewer fill-ups. The Speed Wash features an easy-to-access onboard detergent tank to help you conveniently use cleaning solutions. When you have heavy-duty jobs but not a lot of time, Generac Speed Wash Pressure Washer blasts through cleaning projects fast.